Hey guys, it's Jessa. It's lovely to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Jessa Bellman and I teach everything about digital products, passive income, Etsy, and all of that good stuff. So today I'm going to be talking about, as you can see with the hat, I'm going to be talking about 10 amazing digital products which are seasonal that you can add to your store. So before I jump into it, if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, subscribe, and yeah, I bring out new videos every single Wednesday. Alright, so we are going to jump in and I'm going to show you 10 ideas for Christmas and seasonal printables that you can add to your store. So obviously this time of year, weddings, they kind of dip off a little bit. Sales in general kind of dip off as people sort of go into their holiday mode and they're spending on sort of presents for their family and saving for the dinner and all sorts of things. So these are some really cool ideas to just add some extra revenue generating printables and templates to your store. Now, if you don't know where I am on Etsy. Now, anyone who knows me knows that I love Etsy. I think it's an amazing marketplace. It's what I call a traffic driving website, and it's a marketplace where you upload your listings and Etsy will actually send the traffic to your listings for people to buy your digital products. So 2 thumbs up for Etsy. Love Etsy. Been selling on there for 7 years now. So jumping in, number 1. Printable wall art. Now, how gorgeous is this print? I absolutely love it. This is something I would print off and put on my wall myself. It's something like people love to kind of make their house a little bit more festive, put up decorations. So this is a great one. This one is by the Print Republic and it's a printable wall art print for Christmas. So yeah, 2 thumbs up. This is gorgeous. Now, number 2. Number 2 is kind of an extension of number 1, but I really wanted to put it in here because typically printable wall art, it'll sort of sell for around the $5, $4 mark, and that is sort of quite low in terms of printables and templates. But what you can do is bundle it into a larger bundle, so including this one has 8 printable posters which are seasonal, so you can add that into a big bundle and sell it for a little bit more. For example, this one is on sale for $12.31. So that's a cool idea. This one is by TSD Design. Now, number 3 is a bit of a quirky one. I love this one. It's really unique and it's something that I'm kind of tempted to buy and actually put on the table at Christmas because we've got a lot of kids coming for Christmas this year, so it'll keep them distracted. What it basically is, it's a placemat which like you print off, it's got their name on it and they can sit there colouring it in. It's all Christmas themed, so it's really cute. I really love it. So this one is by Polly's Place Printable. Whoever made this is very creative and talented. I love it. 2 thumbs up. Okay, next one. Candy cane holders. How cute are these? Now, I just thought these are such a great idea for, especially for kids at the end of the year. You know how you want to like take a candy cane to school or a Christmas card? It's kind of doubles as both and they're really customized. So this is a really cute one. So basically it's a candy cane holder gift tag that you print off, you cut it out, and you can use a cry cut to cut it out, or you can just cut it out with scissors and yeah, slip it over the candy cane and take it to school to hand out. Or if you're a grown-up, you can do that too. Take them to work to hand out. Very, very cute. This one is by Just Add Label. Okay, the next one. This one is by Planner Piece Australia or AU, and it is a Christmas planner. So Christmas planner inserts that you can print off. They're seasonal and they're relevant to Christmas. So in here they've got like a Christmas grocery list. They had a yeah, they've got the movies to watch. I thought that was a great one to put in here. Movies to watch for Christmas because everyone loves those corny Christmas movies. I love them. I'm definitely going to be watching them this year. So yeah, this is a great one, and they have sized that at A5, which is really cool. So A5, you might want to do multiple sizes for your Christmas planner. Yeah. Next up, anyone who knows me knows that I sell a heck of a lot of invitations. So this one's a really cool one for me or any of those other invitation sellers out there. So this is a template, which means if you don't know the difference between a printable and a template, a printable is basically something which is not editable and you can print off, whereas a template, it's still a digital product, but the actual end user has access to edit the actual wording on it. So whoever buys this buys the template and they can log in and change the date, they can change the location, they can edit it all. So very, very cool. Christmas invitations. A really cool idea for this one is to actually niche down into like Christmas themes. You might want to do a 20s one, you might want to do like a corporate one, lots of different Christmas parties going on. So have a bit of a think about all the types of Christmas parties and make invitations for those. So this one is by Digital Designs. Love it. Next one. This one is by Flair Enchanted Studio, and it is a printable wine label. So this is right up my alley because I love a glass of champagne. I really do. Anyone who knows me knows I love a glass of champagne. This is all about me. Anyway, I just think this is great. It's a cool one because it kind of is a last minute Christmas gift. So you'll get a lot of people who haven't sort of gone out and bought their Christmas gifts. They'll go to the bottle-o, get a bottle of wine, and they might want to make it a little bit more special. So we'll look for a customized sort of label they can print off and stick onto the bottle. So this is a really cool one as well. Photo Christmas cards for families. Now these are fantastic because you can grab your photo and drag them in. They're really customizable. They are a template, so there's something that I do one every year for my family. I'll put from the Bellmans and put a photo of the whole family and send it out to all our extended family and friends. So they're really special, really cool. This one is by Digivites. Okay, next one. Love coupons. Now, the reason that this is on here, I know it's not sort of like a festive theme or anything, but again, it falls into that sort of last minute gift category. So I think it's really cool because anyone who hasn't sort of bought a gift on Christmas Eve can grab this, print it off, and they're set. They're set for Christmas Day, even if they're unorganized and they're shopping at the last minute. So I actually searched, what did I search? I think I typed in last minute gift or something to find this one, and this is what came up. So I think it's a great idea, and this is by Sunset Cherry Designs. Okay, we're up to the last one. Now, I know that not everyone finishes up the school year in December. That is an Australian thing, I think. So there are a lot of Australians who will buy a gift for our teacher, and this is a really great gift for a teacher. It's a nice quote. And it's customized. So that's a really, really good idea as well because in Australia we are finishing up the school year and a lot of people will want to give their teachers something special. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that it was really handy and you've learned about some really cool seasonal products that you can sell. I will see you next week. Bye!